Guten Morgen. Good morning. Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-B. Yeah, as you already know, what I have. What do I have? I have I forgot. A burrito, a grilled burrito, breakfast burrito, grilled breakfast burrito, and a granola parfait. Voulez-vous parfait? I don't know. That burrito is $4.99. That parfait, I think it's a yogurt with strawberries and harvest nut granola. I mean nut, N-U-T. Granola, $4.79. Total of $9.78, excluding tax. Tax in this great state of Tennessee is 95 cents. So total of $10.73. Let's see if it's worth $10.73. That is burrito. I start with the burrito and then that as a dessert for breakfast dessert. Chicken. Well, it's fresh. It's hot, fresh and hot. But very small for $4.99. That's probably, I would say maybe 4 or 5 inches. 4 or 5 inches. It's not bad. Smells not bad. Hold on. Okay. I ordered a grilled burrito. What do I get? A fried chicken burrito. Another grilled one. Naja. I want a grilled burrito and not. I take one more bite and then bring it back. Well. So, I'll be back. And I'm back. Well, hopefully the right one here. The same price, same size, but hopefully grilled this time. But they accepted a half-eaten burrito. At least I got a half burrito for free. It's very nice. So, same smell, nothing changed. So, let's see, let's eat. We smelled it, I smelled it, you not. Here, same size. What the? It's still not a grilled burrito. Am I confused? Okay, there is a fried and not a grilled burrito. It's a fried and not grilled. This nuggets and not grilled. What the heck is going on with Chick-fil-A? Now it's getting downgraded to Chick-fil-C. This is not a just chicken McNuggets. No, not McNuggets, chicken nuggets. What the heck is going on? But I don't want to go. I mean, if it's then I have a one, then I have two burritos. If I go back, eat a half of it again, go back, then I have one for free and get another one. It's two burritos. Then that dessert, that's probably, I don't know, maybe that alone is probably 30 grams of protein. I don't know, maybe 600 calories, maybe 600. That is probably 300 calories, so that's 900 this. If I put another one burrito on top, will be probably 1500 calories total for breakfast. I leave it. I mean, I eat it now. Got half for free. Huh. The nuggets, chicken nuggets. But it is good. I mean, no complaints, but $4.99. It's the other side, but no, I don't pay. No, actually, I didn't pay $4.99 with the half one. Nugget. I don't think it's a lot of fat in there. I don't think it's a lot of fat, but I would probably, it's probably 600 calories. I would, if I had to guess, 600 calories, and probably, I mean, there's a lot of protein around. If I maybe 30 grams, 35 grams protein in the burrito. But it's good. They gave me a sauce with it, but I don't, as you know, I don't like to mess up the taste of. I want it pure taste, and not, if you put a sauce on, then you only taste the sauce. And if you put sauce on, it tastes like sauce and not like, you know. You need to taste the pure but it's good. And now a regular eating person, it fills you up. $10, it fills you up. The burrito and that, what is it, yogurt dessert? What is it? Yogurt, I think, I assume. Oh. So, Harvest Nut Granola. And what is it, vanilla? Small cup of what? It's heavy. I mean, it's really heavy. It smells fantastic. Really does smell fantastic. So, granola. I don't know if I want to put in granola. Oh yeah. No, maybe. Actually, it is kind of healthy. It is kind of healthy breakfast. Strawberries, blueberries, berries. Yeah. It is sweet, but not too sweet. It's like a liquid ice cream. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Oh, that's good. I mean, their stuff is good. Chick-fil-A. I mean, look at the cars coming in, getting out, coming in. That's incredible. The parking lot is full. There's only one spot left next to me. It's full. Wow. And drive through. Look at this. Look at this. They're standing here. And I'm at the end of the parking lot. Oh, it's really good. I mean, once in a while you can, with the prices today, once in a while it's okay to eat out or dine out or eat out or whatever you want to call it. It's a good dessert. Dessert. Some dry berries in there. I think it's coming from the granola. Highly recommendable. If you're up to a breakfast, try it what I had. If you're in nuggets, try burrito with nuggets or grilled. I mean, I can't say anything about that grilled. Chicken burrito. That combination is good. Well, that was very good. Surprisingly good. So, you know what to eat tomorrow morning? Breakfast, go to Chick-fil-A. A burrito. If you are trying the grilled burrito, let me know, because I can't say anything about the grilled burrito. I wished but they gave me the grilled burrito wrong twice. I mean, how can I mess it up twice? I have to. I mean, isn't it? I mean, isn't it obviously that there's a difference between the nuggets, the fried nugget burrito, and the grilled ones. But young people in there, I don't know, they don't pay attention, bro, obviously. Just put it in together, out. But you know what to eat for breakfast tomorrow. Stay healthy and stay safe, and see you later.